You know, I think everybody knows somebody who owns rental property or has done some type of real estate investing. So, if you're looking to get into the market and you want to make money in real estate, but you don't want to actually own any property, there are several different ways that you can do this. I am a real estate broker with a real estate brokerage, and today we're going to be talking about how you can make money in the real estate market without owning any property. Now, the first way is through brokerage. Now, I'm a real estate broker myself, so I'm a little biased, but being a real estate broker, you have access to the multiple listing service, which allows you to represent buyers and sellers and make money as a commission-based agent. Now, the great thing about this is you don't have to have any money out of pocket to get started. The only caveat to this is that you do need to pass a licensing exam in your state, which requires a certain amount of education. But if you're willing to put in the work up front, then this could be a great opportunity for you. Or if you're not necessarily looking to do the work, then maybe you could even look at mentoring under somebody who is already established and then kind of working by their side as an assistant to learn the business. Because really, what it is, it's a business. You're starting a business as a real estate broker or real estate agent. And like any other business, it takes time to learn the ins and outs of it, and to really find your footing. So if you're not looking to go at it alone, then finding a mentor or a brokerage that has a good training program may be a better option for you. The second way that you can make money in real estate without owning any property is through consultancy. So through being a consultant, you can offer your expertise to people who are looking to either buy or sell real estate. So this could be anything from market analysis to helping them find a good real estate agent, helping them prepare their home for sale, things of that nature. If you have a lot of knowledge about a certain area or a certain niche within real estate, then people will be willing to pay for your expertise. And this can be a great way to make money without actually having to transact any real estate yourself. Now, you may be thinking, well, how do I get started with that? How do I find clients? Well, one way is to network with other real estate professionals. So agents, brokers, home inspectors, mortgage lenders, they all have access to clients who may need your services. So by building relationships with those people, you can get your foot in the door and start making some money. Now, another way to do this is to create content online. So if you're knowledgeable about a certain topic, then start a blog or a YouTube channel or even social media and share your expertise with the world. People will start to find your content and reach out to you for your services. And the last way that you can make money in real estate without owning any property is through affiliate marketing. So with affiliate marketing, you can promote other people's products or services and earn a commission on any sales that you drive. So, for example, if you're a real estate agent, you could promote a home staging service or a home inspection service and earn a commission on any referrals. Or if you're not an agent, you could still promote real estate-related products or services and earn commissions on any sales. One way to do this is to join an affiliate program. So many companies now offer affiliate programs where you can sign up and get your own unique tracking link. And then, whenever you drive traffic to that link and somebody makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Another way to do this is to simply reach out to companies and see if they would be willing to partner with you and promote their products or services. So those are 3 different ways that you can make money in real estate without owning any property. And I hope this gives you some ideas on how to get started. And if you're interested in learning more about real estate, then definitely check out the other videos on this channel. Thanks for watching.